How to save a location on Google Maps. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to save a location on Google Maps. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Set locations. On your Google Maps, tap on the text field at the top to set your location and destination. Afterwards, tap direction at the bottom. Step 2. Save location. If you're using an Android device, tap the three dots at the upper right corner. Afterwards, tap Add Route to Home Screen. If you're using an iOS device, tap Share Directions, copy, go to your notepad, and paste. And that's it! That is how you save a location in Google Maps. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!